Christmas Eve in Germany is very different. And while traditions vary across the country, this is how we celebrate it here in Frankfurt. I think that's not going to be Christmas you expect. Christmas Eve, so Heiligabend, is the main event. And yes, many Germans still work on the 24th of December. Shops are usually open for half day and people rush to buy groceries and also the last gifts. There is a very special feeling in the air, busy but excited, because everyone knows once the work is done, the Christmas begins. After the work, we do decorate the Christmas tree. And it's usually the real one. Most families buy it just few days before Christmas and keep it cold on the balcony or loggia until the 24th. The idea is simple. Keep it fresh and keep the surprise alive until the very last moment. Real candles are often used to decorate the Christmas trees. Carefully watched, of course. We gave it up when the Max was born, but we really want to come back to this tradition in the nearest future. But just as important as the tree is another decoration, the Krippe, so the Christmas crib. It shows baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph, animals and the three kings. This reminds us that Christmas is not only about the gift, but also about the story behind it. Because it is a working day, the dinner is rather simple, because there is still so much to do. In most of the German homes, you're gonna find potato salad, which sausages, that really depends on the region. Obviously, in Frankfurt, we've got our Frankfurter. The biggest feast comes tomorrow. After dinner, something important happens. Children are kept away from the living room, where the tree is. In my family, we look for the Star of Bethlehem, which symbolizes guidance, hope, and the arrival of Jesus. While we wait, gifts quietly appear under the tree. And when the small bell rings, that's the sign. Baby Jesus has been there. Or at least in many Protestant and Catholic families. Although I also knew some families where the Santa is bringing the gift. Now comes the moment everyone has been waiting for. The Christmas tree lights are on and we can start opening the gifts. Calmly, one by one, no rushing, no chaos, just presents and excitement. Many families sing together, even if no one sings particularly well. Others listen to traditional Christmas music. It's not about performance, it's about atmosphere. If there's still space, dessert appears, usually homemade Christmas cookies baked weeks before, but they taste even better on the Christmas Eve. And after all this, Christmas Eve ends quietly. We are going to bed early because tomorrow there is a time for a bigger feast. Remember, in Germany, Christmas Eve is about the calm and the Christmas Day is about the food. So I better get going. And if you wonder what the Germans eat during Christmas, please watch this video next. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!